3D printed vitamins and a way for your pet to talk to you.
Rich DeMuro has more tech finds from CES.
CES is like a tech treasure hunt with thousands of companies showing off their products, and every one of them says it's the next big thing. Here are some of the innovations on display. If you've ever wanted to have your pet talk to you, now you can through a product called Fluent Pet Connect. The concept: teach your pet to press buttons assigned to actions.
Ball, tug, tug,
yes,
tug.
that is tug. Good girl.
Could be play, go outside, food, or whatever else you want. It's all in your voice.
Over time, your dog or cat will learn to press different buttons to ask for what they want.
The system runs about $230. Samsung's latest TV mount gives you the best of both worlds. Horizontal for Hollywood stuff, vertical for social media videos. The mount will work with various 2023 Samsung TVs.
I would say at Samsung our theme this year is connectivity and customization. All of our consumers are saying that's what they want. They want their devices to work well together, and they each have their own individual style for watching screens.
eSight Go are glasses that help the visually impaired.
So what a person with normal vision can see at 400 feet, I have to get up 20 to see.
They give users binocular vision. This new version stabilizes the image better. With a price tag north of $5,000, they're still expensive, but 10 years ago, similar tech cost triple that.
I'm at about ×6 zoom right now, and I can clearly see your face. Without my eSight, I couldn't distinguish you from any other guy in the room.
I feel it working already. Okay, maybe not, but this $350 device is supposed to help you sleep better. This is the Brain Band. It uses audio stimulation to help you fall asleep faster, get a deeper sleep, and wake up feeling refreshed. Atmos Gear hopes to energize your morning commute with electric inline skates. They've come a long way since the prototype, but still require a Fanny-style battery pack. Finally, Neutrogena teaming up with Nourished for 3D printed vitamins for your skin.
You get 7 layers in one bite.
Snap a selfie of your face for a custom recipe.
It's the fact that these are all made fresh to order, so it's not something that's on shelf. Once we get that order, Nourished immediately gets to work and prints it. Those 3D printed gummy vitamins are shipping now. A month's supply is $50. All right, you can see more of my CES 2023 finds on my Instagram. You can find me at Rich on Tech. In Las Vegas, I'm Rich DeMuro, and you are Tech Smart.